How to connect TikTok to Facebook. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TikTok account into your Facebook account. It's very easy. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to copy your link from your TikTok account. Simply access your TikTok profile, and then you're just going to have to tap on your TikTok username, and it will automatically be copied. Next is to access your Facebook. From your Facebook account, you're going to need to go into your profile details. And then here at the top right, you should see three options, which is going to be the pencil, the magnifying glass, and then the three dots. You're just going to have to choose on the pencil icon so that you can customize your profile settings. From here, all I have to do is scroll down and then under links, choose on websites, blogs, and portfolios. Now on the link title, just simply title it as TikTok. And then on the link part, you're going to type in tiktok.com and then add on a forward slash and then tap and hold and simply choose on paste so that you can paste your username that you copied from your TikTok profile. And that's it. That's how you connect TikTok to Facebook.